Fellas, join me today as we say goodbye to the M3. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Will, and for all you people that have been supporting me, welcome back. Appreciate it, guys. I know today is gonna be a tough day. I haven't even been trying to think about it though. That's the thing. I've been kind of in autopilot mode just because I knew this was gonna come quicker than I thought. I mean, check me out, I'm prepared. Look at this. I got both keys here. You guys see that? I got the M key card, the digital key, just bam, imagine whipping that out with the M on there. Didn't even know I had that, I just found it now. I got the Seiko, the Costco Seiko watch. Look at that, Isle of Man green. It's a sad day. Got the Tungcat Alley, ashwagandha, some 5 gum AirPods, sticks of gum. We got a book on how to actually talk to people. The hotel collection. We're out here living the dream, guys. We are living the dream. And it feels like a dream because it is actually surreal to me that I'm about to drive my car here in the next hour to a Lowe's parking lot, meet some random transporter at midnight, load up the car, and just walk home. I'm just gonna walk home. I just got word from the transport. He is here. So we're gonna throw our stuff on, waddle on down there. I can't believe this is actually happening. I'm like numb, it doesn't even feel real. You know, I should probably put socks on because it's gonna be chilly and maybe rainy. So we're gonna throw my dress socks on, nice and cozy, with the clogs. Got a clog, guys. Let's do this. Come on. Come on, man. It is as official as it gets. Grabbing my key. We'll put these guys in my pocket. We're gonna grab a water too. We need that alkaline, baby. All right. Bro, I don't even have my wallet or keys. What am I doing? Where are my keys? All right, grab my wallet. We're out. We're out of here, guys. We're actually out of here this time. The last remote start I'm ever gonna have on this car. That reminds me, I gotta clear my BMW profile. I gotta do one last walk around. But here we go, guys. The last ever cold start on the G80. Oh man. Oh, it's roaring. License plate is officially off. Bare bones, baby. Bare bones. Let me just make sure I got nothing in here. I don't think I do. I got my tire inflator kit, the factory lugs. Should be good, okay. And then my sticker. Gotta take my sticker off the windshield here. Last time with the G80, it is not real. Yeah, like I said, it's not even gonna hit me until probably I lay in bed tonight. I'm gonna be like, why did I do this? All right, I just gotta do it, guys. We just gotta do it. Got to do it. Oh, I can't even look. Don't look. I can't look. This is how you know it's official, when the driver profile gets removed. Look at that. Delete and delete. Hold on, is it gonna let me? Oh my seat. Oh no. And it went green? Oh, this is horrible. Oh my, absolutely horrible. Hulk mode right now. All right, guys. Onward. You know what? Actually, I don't mind the green because it kind of is the Isle of Man green send off. So I don't mind. think it's a nice little touch. But anyways, we're on our way to Lowe's right now. The guy said he has to unload every single car to put my car on, and he asked how low it was. I sent him pics. So this is either gonna be a nightmare, or my guy Igor is gonna be a professional. There's only two ways this is gonna go. Two ways. I'm telling you right now. I'm just trying to remember if I have everything. I think I do. Oh, you know what? I know the engine's a little cold right now. Actually, it's not too bad. We're gonna go M2 mode. Oh, look at that. Oh man, we're gonna do a final. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh. Oh man. What a car, guys. What a car. All right, one more time. It's so quick, it's insane. I think I go left here. This car with just the CS Flash and a mid-pipe is an absolute monster. It really is. Switch to M Motorsport. There we go. Oh yeah. Is this the guy? No way this is the guy. No way that's the truck. Watch it actually be the truck. No, there's no way. Just like that. Is this car here yet? No, I think that is him, dude. I think that's the transport guy. Maybe I got here a little bit too early. One last look at this thing in the lights. I'm gonna go talk to this guy. I don't even remember how to put this in the park. Oh, yep, that's gotta be him. It's gotta be him. My man, Igor. Look at that. Look at that timing. Whew. She looks so good. Fitment is dialed. Everything is dialed. Exhaust is dialed. Man. Oh. It's crazy. It really is. I searched so long for this spec. So long. 3 months. And it finally popped up. And now we're saying goodbye. It's crazy how that works. But we got new chapters, new beginnings. This is a positive thing. Can't look at this in a negative way. So I'm gonna go check in with him and see what Igor's up to. I'll turn this off real quick. But that should be everything, man. And the rock chips. Oh man, the rock chips there are crazy. That's what happens when you have spacers and lowered. Check our glove box. Valve controller. Both sets of keys. Nothing in there. Nothing down there. I think we should be good. All right. Let's see if he texted me. Igor? How we doing? Good. So you gotta unload? I'm assuming you're probably gonna take some pics. I gotta take a couple pics of I know they requested some stuff, so I'll get all that info and then. There she goes. Sounds good. I never get to hear people drive it, so watch this guy just take off. Just steals my car right in front of me. What else has he got on here? An AMG? TRS? No, it's not a TRS. A Rebel. A little Ram Rebel. I don't even know where he's gonna put this thing. Oh, is it gonna be right under? This is probably the only spot. Yeah, look at that. We're gonna be front row, baby. Shee. Front row? Right here? I don't know. This has got to be like rock trip protection, you know? All right, I'm gonna take these pictures real quick for the transport and keep you guys posted, man. It's been a good car. Let's just see. We'll hang out for like maybe 5 more minutes and see if he loads it on. But oh, it's gonna scrape. I know it's gonna scrape. That lip is gonna be deadly. It's gonna be so bad. Alrighty guys, here it is. I lied to you. My new car coming off. 2002 Ford Escape. Living the dream, baby. 40 miles per gallon in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. I mean, come on, you knew I had to switch it up a little bit, fellas. I needed a commuter. I don't even know if this guy can start this car up, man. My Ford Edge. Oh, there it is. There we go. Now we're talking. Igor, man, coming in clutch. Hey, these guys work hard. These transporters, man, are driving nonstop. I mean, he's going straight to Chicago. Look at that thing. He's going side by side. He's going straight to Chicago after this. You unloaded my new car. My new one. Look at that. Guys, check it out. Check it out. Is this even a Ford? I don't even know what this is, but I'm kind of liking it. It's like a Euro car. Eco Sport, all-wheel drive. Oh my gosh, guys. Come on now. Look at that. That's a good shot. You know, things are getting real when I'm like getting sidetracked by this stuff as distractions. It's better than me sitting here in silence, at least. Oh, he's going for it. Fellas, we stayed. We stayed for the fun. See if he can get this thing on. Hey, we got our crowd right here watching. It's getting loaded. Oh man. It's good. He's got clearance. I can tell you if you have clearance or not. You want me to tell you?
Yeah.
So you're good. Keep coming. You're good. Just go slow. Stop. Keep going. Barely. Keep coming. You're good. Keep coming. You're good. Oh, that was like this was like that. Looks all good, mid-pipe's untouched. There. Skid plate did its job. Yeah, you're fully cleared, at least in the front.
What?
I said you're cleared up there, if anything. Let me check that. He said, what? My man said, what? The rocker here. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Yeah, you're good. Right there. Do not come any further. No, we're good. It didn't rub anything. The rockers didn't hit.
Thank you for helping.
Yeah, no worry. You're professional. Yep. There you have it. The last time I'm ever gonna see this car. I feel like I need to kiss it, man. Just a little quick. There we go. Look at that. A little love tap. Oh man, dude. All right. Saying bye-bye. I get Lamborghini next.
What next?
I said Lamborghini I have coming. So I sold this and I got a Lamborghini.
Lamborghini?
Lamborghini.
Whoa.
I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Bye-bye, G80. It has been a fun ride, but it's time to try something new. So fellas, I'm gonna walk home. I got a long walk, but I really appreciate you guys and the support on the channel. I know this was pretty soon for this car, and I know we probably could have done a lot more with it, but I'm happy with it. That's all that matters. I'm happy with what I did to the car. I'm happy where I left off. I feel good about saying goodbye. You know, it still hasn't hit yet, but at the same time, I'm very grateful. So that's what it's all about, guys. It's just the gratitude. Whatever I decide to get next, I'm also gonna be grateful for. So stay tuned, that's gonna be the next video. I gotta get something tomorrow, because like I said, I'm not trying to be walking in the rain to work in my nice clothes. So we gotta figure out a solution here. And it's gonna come tomorrow, and it's gonna come hard, and it's gonna come quick. So fellas, much love as always. I will see you in the next one. Peace. Oh.